So here we have up for your viewing consideration a drill bit from Harbor Freight. It's one of those aircraft drill bits that they might have forgot to heat treat. This is what happened when I touched a piece of plastic with it to drill a hole in it. It instantly turned into a giant spaghetti noodle. So I would suggest just considering investing your money in such a thing. But hey, I got a pretty good laugh out of the whole thing. Maybe you will too. Enjoy.
Kind folks of old, you come again no more. Home was home then, my dear, full of kindly faces. Home was home then, my dear, happy for the child.